Hello, in this quick video, we are going to talk very important DevOps tool. That is Git, which is also one of the ultimate version control tool for DevOps. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system that is widely used in DevOps environments to manage and track code changes. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005 and is currently maintained by a large community of developers. How it works? Git works by creating a repository for each project that is being managed. Developers can clone the repository onto their local machines, make changes to the code, and then push those changes back to the repository. Git tracks all changes made to the code, making it easy to review and revert changes if necessary. Step-by-step guide to use in production. Number 1. Create a new repository for your project using Git. Number 2. Clone the repository onto your local machine. Number 3. Make changes to the code and commit those changes to the repository. Number 4. Push the changes back to the remote repository. Number 5. Review and merge changes made by other team members. Now, let's understand the use cases of Git. That will help in your interview and day-to-day work. Git is used extensively in DevOps environments for managing code changes and ensuring that all team members are working on the latest version of the code. Best practices for using Git include creating a branching strategy to manage code changes, committing changes frequently, and conducting code reviews to ensure that code changes meet quality standards. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel for more learning resources for free. Also, you can connect with me on Telegram, Instagram for free learning resources.